They're in the gate. And they're off. Neville's Mistake breaks fast. Lil Tree showing plenty of pace. Sequoia King right there with them. Mr. Grumpy Stripes up the fence. Kozai Daman also in the thick of it early at the end of the first furlong. Valid Brush comes up the rail. Unleash the Power. House Arrest is last but two. He's a Dixie Boy. And What's His Name is wide and last. Here's Lil Tree. So Lil Tree forges in front through an opening quarter in 21-3. A high octane pace as they go into the far turn. Being led by Lil Tree from Kozai Daman. Neville's Mistake trying to stay this pace third. Sequoia King is fourth. Unleash the Power is wide. At the fence, Mr. Grumpy Stripes. Valid Brush between horses. He's a Dixie Boy. Orange Cap coming around rivals, but very wide. He's a Dixie Boy. What's His Name and House Arrest. Top of the stretch for Lil Tree. Under a quarter to run. Half mile in 45-3 for Lil Tree. Jamie Theriault calling out Lil Tree for one more furlong. Here comes Unleash the Power, and he's a Dixie Boy, now taking gently ground away from Lil Tree. Just above the 16th hole, Lil Tree hanging on by a thread. Unleash the Power on the outside. He's a Dixie Boy. Unleash the Power holding. He's a Dixie Boy. Unleash the Power, a 16-1. He's a Dixie Boy second. Lil Tree, House Arrest, and Valid Brush was closing two.